Got no sauce, then you lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Well, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Today, we're finally gonna be turboing Josh's hatch. It's finally came, man.
Today's the day.
Time to step it up.
There's those Mustangs.
So we pretty much got everything. We pieced together parts from other builds. We got the intercooler, sidewinder, turbo. That was the Garrett that you ran on the hatch when it was B series, right?
B-series.
Like 450 you're making?
I made for 150 at 22 pounds.
Heck yeah, man. Sick. Well, now, so hopefully at that many pounds of boost now, we'll be making like 500. That's 500. 500. We're going to go ahead and get started on this, get this thing turboed. We took off the oil pan a few days ago because we got to give it over to Import Sports, Sam, our tuner. He's going to be welding a bung on it for us. And we also accidentally broke a bolt when we were taking out the alternator. It just snapped. So we'll have to figure out a way to get that out. What did you have in mind?
Probably, I don't know, those bolt extractors?
A bolt extractor? Or maybe we could weld something on it and turn it? I don't know,
yeah,
maybe.
I don't know, we can try anything.
But
just buy like the whole bracket thing, whatever.
Yeah. Well, let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the intercooler, see where we're going to center it, see where it's going to go, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, that's going to fit perfect.
Yeah, I have the B-series. Yeah, some brackets too.
Yeah. A little bracket right there?
Yeah, like a little L.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah, really good shit.
Dude, that's like a perfect fit. Hell yeah.
Getting better already.
We're already there. Almost done.
Yeah.
We are in luck. He had already cut this part out here from where his charge piping was going when he was B series. And it looks like that fits perfect. Like, literally perfect. Super perfect. And then we'll just, like we were saying before, we'll just weld little tabs right here that we can screw it to. And the thing already looks sick, man. Already. You getting excited?
Yeah.
Once we have the intercooler where we want it, now we're just going to start mocking up the intercooler piping. We got a whole bunch of random bends that we've had, so we're just going to match them all together and make something work.
Put it right here. Put the throttle body like this. Cut it right here. And then put it to that piping, the bottom one. Need to put that sanding this one so we can get, as soon as we get like all the piping done, we just take it to sand, getting all welded, make it like
Get all the joints welded?
Yeah.
Yeah, you won't have to really worry about boost leaks when it's welded.
That's right.
Hell yeah.
We got that one.
Look at that. That's not very much piping if you think about it.
Yeah.
Just from there to there. Already look good. One charge pipe down, one more to go.
Yeah, this is gonna be the hard one right here.
I think we should probably take off the header and get the manifold on first, and then get the turbo on there, and then we can see exactly where we're going to be mocking it up. You can't really start with the intercooler piping if we don't know
where we're going.
If we don't know where we're going, so I think I'm going to start taking off the header.
Right.
I think we've came to the conclusion now that the CRX is going to be supercharged, right?
Something.
Something. So once we get the motor in and we get it running for a couple days, I'm going to order a Craftswork supercharger. I'm going to throw it on. I want to make 500 too, so we both can have like an even 500 horsepower.
Oh, bro, the race from yesterday was epic between the dailies.
Oh, did you?
What happened? You want to tell the fans what happened?
Well, yesterday my motor was cold too. It was freezing.
Come on,
cold.
it's your excuses.
So
mine was cold too.
We
I don't know what you're
raced
saying.
our dailies. We both have those EKs you guys have seen, the white ones, the 4-doors. And they're both stock non-VTEC single cams. And Josh walked me yesterday twice.
Twice.
And also when we were racing, I had my window down and his car is burning mad oil. So
that's not burning oil. That's from the tires, bro. I was spinning in third, fourth gear. What are you talking about?
My car smelled like shit after that. But no, it'll be fun. 500 horsepower turbo, 500 horsepower supercharged. It'll be a good race. The header is out. Since we have the room, we're gonna go ahead and tap into our oil pressure sensor. Josh is gonna take the oil pressure sensor out, and then we're gonna feed our feed line into it. That way we can hook it right up to our turbo. Alright, so Josh got that in there all nice and purty. And we got a lot of slack here. The turbo's probably gonna sit like right here. So let's go ahead and get that manifold on.
Veronica just got the manifold on. She's the best.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Now that that beautiful looking manifold's on, let's go ahead and mock up the turbo.
Yeah, we first gotta move this fuel pressure regulator out of here, so we have more space.
You gonna move it over here?
Yep. Probably might have to like make the lines a little bit longer too.
All right, looks good. All right, we can call it a night. We're done, right?
Oh yeah, let's go home.
Yeah, we're done. Let's go. But it looks good there, bro. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna get this intercooler pipe in order. It's a super tight fit. I think you're gonna have to delete that booster, bro. I had to do it on mine. That is way too close of a fit. But I really didn't want to do it on my CRX, but it looks cool. And it makes a lot of room for activities. So I think we've made a plan of action here, right?
Yeah, well, you gotta cut this right here, this part right here, so we can like run it straight from the throttle, and then we can leave the block valve like up here, so it'll look nice. And then this elbow, we just run an elbow going down through this hole that comes like stock, and then run it from here like normal turbo piping, and just straight to the intercooler. Like that. That's like the best idea I can come with.
Let's do it.
This line, I'm just trying to save the Autosauce.
So Josh just finished doing his last cut. We think we got everything here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and mock it up in the car and see how it fits. Like our charge pipe is gonna work. Looks like all our cuts were correct.
We got it.
We got it going. Yeah, the only things left that we have to do is obviously get the oil pan back from Sam. Then Lewis, our friend, is gonna come and make us a downpipe, right?
Yep, we're trying to go with the out of the hood, and then we're trying to like get the wastegate like all at once, not like just one piping for the wastegate and then one for the exhaust. So we're just trying to make it a little bit different there.
Make it perfect.
Perfecto.
Perfection. Well, that's going to be it, guys. We're going to go ahead and call the video there.
Go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.
Peace.
Got no sauce, then you lost. but you can also get lost in the sauce.